suerte está prendida siempre sobre la misión. El barrio está prendido, ya fueron en busca.
But is this the real Caesar's Palace? He has 4. Because look, he has a burger one, he has a steak one, he has a house kitchen, and then he has a pub and grill. Cookie shots. Cookie shots.
¿Ahorita venimos?
Are you trying to escape me?
Look, what's that? Let's go right there.
Celebrating.
Oh, that's a rabbit ear, no?
Picture of it. So, me thinking I'm cool wearing heels. Alright, let's go. Yeah, right in the middle. Okay. Thank you so much.
It's like a percentage.
Thank you.
Ganaron las higos, perdieron las higos. No hay nada que no pueda.
The risotto, both utterly phenomenal. Salad and soup you'll see down below. Entree, sides in the middle. Now the star of the show, Gordon Ramsay's signature dish, a beef Wellington. Now are you both familiar with the Wellington?
Yes.
So just keep in mind, always cook medium rare, and if you do decide to do it, you can either do it a la carte right here in the entree section, or in the signature 3-course prefix menu. Now everything that's in this menu, same portion size you would get in the a la carte menu, so it remains an amazing deal. Now it can be done with or without a wine pairing. You get a glass of wine with each course, and then we have some terrific chef-recommended add-ons available: seared foie gras, a butter coleslaw tilt, as well as shaved truffles, and you can add to any item on the menu. Now the drink menu back here, wines by the glass, draft beer, signature cocktails. I do have a full bar and non-alcoholic Pepsi products, iced tea, lemonade, things like that. So just let me know if you have any questions, take your time. Let me at least get you going with some water. You guys for house water or bottled water? Bottled water, sparkling, still.
Still.
What's the special occasion?
Valentine's.
Okay, congrats. I love it.
Thank you. Open the note.
What does the note say?
I don't know. We don't know. They told me, tell me what your note says after you open it. While I'm talking shit. This is the duck is so raw. It's so trying to sell me life insurance. Isn't it?
Heard of that.
Lobster risotto. What is it? Pan-seared scallops.
Sepa la madre.
Hortelo. What?
I'll tell you how it is. Yeah, it costs like nothing.
Tender?
It's alright.
Get it stuck between your teeth and then smile. You're bomb. What's between your legs is bomb. ¿Esto qué? Oh, behind the line. We look super creepy recording them. We'll start yelling at them.